Let's file your trademark, guarantee budget, guarantee result.
We want to make sure your brand's protected. We want to make sure your brand's protected. We want to make sure your brand's protected from imitators and reposts.
Let's file your trademarks.
Let's file your trademark.
Let's file your trademark.
Guaranteed budget, guaranteed result.
Let's file your trademark.
Let's file your trademark.
Let's file your trademark. Guaranteed budget, guaranteed results. We wanna make sure your brand's protected. We wanna make sure your brand's protected. We wanna make sure your brand's protected. Imitators and reposts. Let's file your trademark.
Let's file your trademark. Let's file your trademark. Guaranteed budget, guaranteed results. Let's file your trademark.
Let's file your trademark. Let's file your trademark. Guaranteed budget, guaranteed results. We wanna make sure your brand's protected. We wanna make sure your brand's protected. We wanna make sure your brand's protected from imitators and reposts.
Let's file your trademark.
Let's file your trademark. Let's file your trademark.
Guaranteed budget, guaranteed
Result. Let's file your trademark. Let's file your trademark.
Let's file your trademark. Guaranteed budget, guaranteed results.
On behalf of the entire Trademark Factory family, I want to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a happy and prosperous New Year. A year when your business is thriving and when you truly own your brand that is securely protected from unscrupulous competitors, nasty trademark trolls, greedy lawyers that bill you by the hour, and bait and switch cheap online filing services. If that's what you're looking for, Trademark Factory is always here to help.
We want to make sure your brand's protected.